It's a good practice to double check most of the activities we are doing in our life. Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. In this video, we are going to find out how to resolve wrong data entry issues at the user level in the DreamSave app. Sometimes a user can mistakenly add incorrect data. These mistakes can happen during the group setup or during a meeting, when writing the total shares, when recording loan repayment and service charge, when social fund payouts. We at DreamStart Labs understand that these instances cannot be avoided, and so we are here to share some procedures you can follow to resolve this problem. Let's begin by identifying where it has gone wrong. If the mistake happens while you are setting up your group to use the DreamSave app, these are the steps you need to follow to resolve the issue. First, go back to the member profile area on the setup tab. Then tap to remove button on the right side of the first name of the member profile where the wrong data mistakenly entered. If it happens during a meeting, you can simply undo the transaction. As an example, let's say you mistakenly recorded amounts for the savings and the social fund contribution of a member who did not really give any amount. In that case, simply tap on the member's name again. Erase the amounts entered. And instead type 0 in the fields for savings and social fund. After doing this correction, click the Done button and close the transaction. If it happens while you are recording loan repayments, you can follow the same method and select the respective user. Go to the bottom of the screen. There you will see Undo today's payment and then tap on it. Then click Yes and enter the correct amount. If it happens during the social fund payouts, you can select the transaction made in error in the transaction history section. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Undo this payout button, then click Yes and correct the transaction. If it happens during the additional fund payouts, this also similar to the mistakenly entered social fund payout data. Open the respective fund and select the respective transaction in the transaction history. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Undo this payout button, then click Yes and correct the transaction. You may be wondering, what if you realize that you made a mistake 2 or 3 meetings ago? First of all, try to find the error and investigate what has gone wrong. Once you found the exact error and where it occurred, check for discrepancies in the meeting record. In the miscellaneous transactions section of your meeting, you can record the error as either a new expense if you mistakenly recorded more than the actual value. You can record as a new income if you mistakenly recorded less than the actual value. In the description section, you can mention error correction related to the particular transaction. These are the steps you can take to correct wrong data. If these methods do not help you resolve the issue, please contact your customer success representative. You can easily do that through the DreamSave app. You simply have to go down to the bottom of the starting window and tap on Contact Support to report the issue. To prevent these kind of issues in the future, follow these tips. First, make sure you have understood the data being requested before entering any data. Example, number or shares or value of shares. Usually the blank entry field for the data has a brief description. It would help to read this description. Second, double check everything before you leave each page in the app to confirm that all data entered is correct. Third, before registering the group, it's better to cross-check all the meeting data, read it out loud with members. Fourth, as much as possible, try to connect to the internet when you open a meeting. Fifth, if you have made mistakes with your group account, do not attempt to create a new group account. Inform your customer success representative of the issue. The last one, make sure to do a full backup after every completed meeting. Let's keep these helpful tips in mind and remember that as long as we remain calm and relaxed in every situation, we can solve any problem. Thank you for watching this video.